Alrighty, so this is the test case video for Lab 3. So here I already inputted at least the first two test cases, so with like January 1753 and February 1753. So here with the January one, we see it matches here. And the February works because February is supposed to start on Thursday, and it does right here. So let's run the next test case. We have a January 1754, and it works because instead of Monday like the previous year, it goes on a Tuesday. And then we do February 1756, and I couldn't find a good calendar for that one, but there it is outputted. And then here we have February 1800, and it has to be on a Saturday. And if we look here, you can kind of see it on Saturday there, the 1st. And then if we run it again, and if we do February of 2000, so it's supposed to be on a Tuesday, the first day, and there it is right there on a Tuesday. So now let's check for user input errors. So if we enter 0, it says, hey, you have to enter a number between 1 and 12. If we do 13, we get the same thing, but if we do 11, it works. So now we do the year. So if we do a -1, it doesn't like that. And if we do error, it says, oh yeah, you have to enter an integer, you entered error. And then if we do 1752, it has to be greater than 1753, so we get that error there. And then if we input a proper error like 2019, and it works. So that is the test case video for Lab 3.